Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium in VS Code. First, ensure Python and VS Code are installed on your system. Next, open your terminal and install the Selenium library using the pip command. Finally, download the correct WebDriver for your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and place it in an accessible location for your project. This foundational setup is crucial for any automation tasks. Now, let's write a basic script. Begin by importing the WebDriver module from Selenium. Then, initialize the WebDriver for your browser, for example, WebDriver, Chrome. After that, you can navigate to any website using the driver. Get method passing the URL as a string. This simple script opens a browser and directs it to your specified page. To make your script interactive, you'll need to locate web elements. Use methods like findElement by ID or findElement by CSS selector to pinpoint specific parts of a web page. Once an element is found, you can perform actions such as clicking a button or typing text into an input field. For dynamic pages, implement explicit waits to ensure elements are fully loaded before interaction, preventing common errors. Running your Selenium script is straightforward. Simply execute the Python file directly within VS Code. If you encounter issues, VS Code's integrated debugger is incredibly helpful. Set breakpoints, step through your code, and inspect variables to quickly identify and resolve problems. This iterative process of running and debugging is key to developing robust automation. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.